Welcome back to the Godzilla Torino channel. What I have here is a sneak peek of a new GoPro mount that will be featured in our upcoming drag races with the Torino. So sit back and enjoy. Well, here we got I wanted to show everyone this new little camera mount that I got for the GoPro. I'm calling it the Thompson cam. So the GoPro mounts right here. I needed a flat surface to mount a GoPro, and everything under here is pretty crazy, like not very flat, not very smooth, except for the fuel pump. The bottom of the fuel pump is perfect for a GoPro mount. So what I did was I mounted this just like that. There we go. And we got a perfect view of the slicks, and I have a video that shows that view. Right now we're looking at some sunlight that's kind of obscuring the view, but it actually looks pretty amazing when it's running and everything is perfect. Okay, I wanted to apologize for the video to introduce this new cam angle. the videography on my part was awful, but I've been sitting on this video for a little bit, and I just wanted to get it out there because I know a lot of people are going to enjoy it. So I cut out a few bits from this video because I'm going to put it on another video. There's a little bit of shenanigans that happened during the test of the camera angle, and I didn't want it to like distract you from looking at the actual view. And the interesting part is that the with this camera angle, I haven't really seen it in any other drag racing videos. It's going to allow you to see how the tires are hooking up. With these slicks, you'll be able to see them actually stretch and wrinkle, and it also shows how the pinion angle changes as you get on the throttle or let off the throttle, which is a very interesting way to view the race, where you're not going to see that by looking at in-car camera or even video of the car from the side. This particular camera angle, I think, is going to be very informative. But I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and help me get more of this stuff out there. It's going to be pretty neat to add these little elements. I'm an amateur, but I got some good ideas, and I want to show people things that they don't normally see in a drag racing video. And I know that other people are doing similar stuff, but I want to put my take on it. So subscribe to the channel and like the video, and we got another race coming up very soon, and I'm just trying to get, I'm kind of a little bit out of it because I worked all night, and I just wanted to get this out there for everyone to see. Peace out.